And people say,
imigeri we yiri bici benderini ukavuga ibi ni ibiki mwananiwe kuzana abakristo ngo bababyinire kuko nabo barahari bashobora kubyiniza Imana baririmba icyubahiro cy'Imana muratuzanira batera imigeri teri imigeri hakurya garukiyo nubwo mbasetsa ndagira ngo mbabwire ko murimo muramara ubutunzi Imana yabashize. Abaririmbyi b'Abaswahili
Swahili singers say this.
Bararirimbye ndagira ngo ni orchestre muri Morogoro kera baravuga ngo maji yakisha kumwangika haiwezi tena kuzoleka. Yari indirimbo ya orchestre muri Tanzania kera za 80. Maji yakisha kumwangika haiwezi tena kuzoleka.
There is an
karaka illustration gusa mutazanyigana name ngo muje kwiga indirimbo zisi nje nzikoresha mu kwigisha mwe muzikoresha iki nje ko mzimenya ngo nzigishe wewe uzimenya ngo uzagira ute.
There is a band. There is a band.
Name muzabwiriza. Okay, ni muzimenye rero.
There is a band in Tanzania that used to sing that when water is spilled it can never be carried again.
Murakazi?
Do you know the song?
Marafiki yako wamekozoea wakisema tabia yako ni mbaya. Maji yakisha kumwangika haiwezi tena kuzoleka.
It's a secular song, and for me I use secular songs in my sermons. I hope you do the same when you listen to secular music. And the song says when water is poured, even if you're intelligent, you can't collect it again if it's poured. If water has already been poured, I ask that you protect the treasure in you. Men and women, boys and girls, wait for your time. We have a problem of eyesight. Our gadgets, our phones. We're scrolling every now and then. We're scrolling every now and then.
Ngohereje audio.
And you send audio notes, voice notes, and you go back to typing. Is this video real?
Kohereje link now urebi.
I have sent you a link. Go and check that link.
Vulnérabilité dans les yeux.
Vulnerability in our eyes.
Mumaso.
In our eyes. Let me ask you, what do you watch on your smartphones? Do you know that what you watch also steals the treasure that God has put in you slowly by slowly? What you listen to.
Ikatitse vuba di. YouTube nayishiramo ama publicity.
This YouTube with adverts, you go back to your YouTube.
uko niko mubayeho.
That's how many of you live.
Uragenda ukipfunda mu cyumba wenyine ugasogongera imiziki y'isi. Ibyo wumva ko birakunyunyuza ubutunzi Imana yagushizemo.
You go to your rooms, lock yourselves in the room and listen to music, secular music, but what you listen to is stealing the treasure God has put in you.
Muri Ask Paul.
In Ask Paul,
mu bibazo tugira byinshi.
Many of the questions we receive,
twasubije kenshi.
And we have responded to these.
Ni ibi bivuga ngo.
These are the questions.
I'm
a Christian, I'm a believer, Father.
Father, ndagukunda cyane kandi ndakwemera. Nuko atangira.
I love you so much and I trust you.
Na equipe mukorana mwese.
And the whole team.
Father. Njyewe ndi umukristo.
I am a Christian, Father.
Kandi nkunda Imana, Father.
And I love God.
None se Father.
Now,
gukorera secular music ni icyaha vraiment.
Is it a sin to sing secular music?
Se Father.
Father.
Nawe arabizi ko atari byiza ariko arashaka ngo Father avuge. Nimvuga rero ngo Father nawe ntakigendana n'igihe kandi nawe uzi mu mutima wawe kwigihe Father avuze nicyo. Kuko mubazi ibyo muzi.
You ask what you know. You're asking that question. You already know in your heart that it's wrong. Or else you wouldn't be asking. But you want me to answer so that you have an excuse around my answer.
Nigute mfata ubutunzi bw'impano z'indirimbo Imana yanshizemo. Impano yo kuririmba. Narangiza nkayicisha muri factory kabihindura mu muzike y'isi. Impano Imana yambaye yo kuyiramya, kwishira hejuru. Ejo ngatangira kuririmba ibyisi. Mwabahungu, mwabakobwa, mu bukwe bwanyu mutuzanira abapagani ngo babyine, abapagani ngo baririmbe. Umwana watojwe, umwana wicara aha mu rusengero, mu bukwe ukazana ababyina indirimbo z'isi. Ntabwo ari twe twababyaye muri ibi byarwa. Umwana w'Imana hazana b'Imana kuzamura ibirori.
A child of... Do you know why? It is because what is in your heart is what you expose. You will invite us to your weddings and bring secular artists to come and perform. Yet we taught you, we raised you better than that, but you show up at the last day to show that you were not indeed our children. You listen. You're praying. God, our children are getting married. And people say,
mwananiwe kuzana abakristo ngo bababyinire kuko nabo barahari bashobora kubyiniza Imana baririmba icyubahiro cy'Imana muratuzanira batera imigeri teri imigeri hakurya garukiyo nubwo mbasetsa ndagira ngo mbabwire ko murimo muramara ubutunzi Imana yabashize murimo mwiriyica mutabizi ubwo rugo murimo mwubakira kuri izo ndirimbo murimo muzana abisi ngo bababyinire ngo babaririmbire mbabwire n'urufatiro rubi.
I am making you laugh. I know this seems funny, but what I'm telling you is that you're laying the wrong foundation for your marriages, for your lives in the future. When you start working with unbelievers, inviting them to your weddings, to sing, to dance, it shocks us when we attend your events because of what we find there.
Barbara.
Yes.
Nigute. Ugira abakobwa bakuri inyuma nanjye kagira abahungu ntibagira abahungu babari inyuma n'abakobwa batari inyuma.
Bridesmaids and groomsmen.
Nigute ndi umukozi w'Imana.
As a servant of God, who has learned the word, who loves God,
kazana umusururu w'abahungu b'abapagani inyuma yanjye hari abana b'abakristo bara.
I bring pagans as my groomsmen.
Uzi icyo bivuze?
Do you know what this means?
Urugo rwawe rukinguriye imiryango.
You're opening doors for your marriage.
Nigute umwana w'umukobwa.
How does a young woman,
mudukorera ibirori,
you get married,
mukazana abakobwa b'abapagani,
And
kandi mufite bashiki banyu bakristo.
And you bring pagans, yet you have sisters who are Christians.
Wowe uragira ngo kurinezeza.
You think you're making yourself happy?
Ariko kuracukura urwobo ugiye kumena mu butunzi bwawe.
But you're digging deep a pit where you pour the treasure in you.
Iyo tubabwira ibi muvuga ngo turi updated.
When we are saying this, you say we are not updated.
Old the class.
This is old school.
Kuva igihe cya Adamu.
From the time of Adam
kuzageza igihe cya Antikristo.
to the time of the Antichrist.
Mu by'Imana nta old school iba.
There is no old school in godly things.
Biba handi muri za generation na za culture ariko mu ijambo ry'Imana nta old school iba.